Okay, so good day, everyone. So we are at the last stage of our training. At this training, we are going to be talking about navigating around the mobile. So if you want to download the mobile, just go to your Google Play Store or go to your Apple Play Store, Apple Store, then search for Zoho Invoice. So if you search for Zoho Invoice, you're supposed to see an icon that looks like this. You are supposed to see an icon that looks like this. So has so many many apps on that platform. So but just make sure you look for an icon like this. So this would allow you do this training that we've been discussing about. Now, everything that we've been discussing has been on the web, but now we are only going to look at how to navigate around the system. I'm using an iPhone, so navigating around Android might be a little bit different, but the most important thing is you are able to get the functions of each of these tools. So um, so I've also added two things to this training, which is monetizing bookkeeping skills and all you need to know about the VAT and TIN. So let's just first start with the aspect of navigating um, mobile navigation on Zoho Invoicing app. So I will try to share my screen. So that you can actually see this screen, I needed to um, use an online session. So I'm using a Google Meet from my phone to the system so that we can all see, so that to have something like a screen mirroring. Let me just try. Okay, so I have the screen here, and I hope we are able to get everything that is actually needed. I will try as much as possible. I want to see if there's any way I can make this bigger. It's supposed to have something like full screen. So let's see how that goes. So now I have the app downloaded on my phone already, so you can also do that from your phone. So I'll search for things like Zoho Invoice. Let me just search for. Sorry, this I need to move this icon around. So that's one of the constraints on trying to mirror through Google Meet. So let me just use this. Yeah, so I have this already. So this is what, just this thing I'm moving around, this thing, just ignore it. So just focus only on the screen. Now gain insights, instant insights, track business performance on your dashboard. So I can skip that, but you can see that those are just the functions of what the system can do or the mobile app can do. So let me try to sign in. me try to sign in to my Zoho account. I hope this network won't be a constraint. This is looking like a constraint already, so let's see how it will go. This doesn't look like it's coming. Okay, so you enter the same password you've been using. So let me just use okay, so you enter your password, your details, which is your username or your email address as provided. Saying this is not correct. Sorry, just give me a few minutes to actually see what I used. No, I think it's okay. Yeah, so I think this is what I used. Oh, this is still not correct. Let me just give me a few minutes. Let me quickly check something. So sorry about that. So I think I'm back. So now it's pinmetricsdm@gmail.com. That's what we use next. Now I'm entering the password. Yeah. Okay, so it's asking me if I want to confirm, so let me just confirm it. So it's trying to sign in. Let me try to make this full screen. Yeah. So I have this already. So I have this. Now at this level I can start seeing the performance of sorry, I just need to move this thing around. So this is what you should have. I'm trying to move it around. Let me just move there. Yeah, so you should have something like this. So you have your what's it called, total receivables. This is just like a dashboard already. So this is a dashboard. So if I scroll like this, I should see another set of information, so which is this. just like we saw the other time. So you can have actually have a glance of what or how the system is performing. So if I do this also, now this is your total expenses. As I do this, your total expenses. Right click. Now it shows me the MD's expense here. So at this level, it shows me the MD's expense. If I click this, it shows me. So you can actually see. You can actually see how the system is performing. So if I click this too, so that is just for this. Now if you scroll down here, you check. Sorry, hold on please. So if you check here, yeah, so we have something like this here now. So I've been able to put that aside now. So let me just scroll back. See now, okay, I have a better view of. Look at it. Look at this. So you can actually know how your business is performing at this level. Now, if you check all this side, you will notice that this will give you something like shortcuts to some of the things that you do. Then you have here also that says more. So let me show you. So if I have here, this will show me some of the modules outside, which is customers, or some of the features that we can use to perform this activity. So if I click on customers, you can see it will list out all customers. So this is still the same thing that we had on our system. Now if you click here, if you click this side, then you see if you click this side, it gives you more option to maybe filter. You want to filter or sort the customers list that you have. Then also you have another plus beside it, plus icon. Look at this plus icon. What does that plus icon do? So that gives us opportunity to add a customer. So all you just need to do, you can see that the same information that we had earlier is the same thing that is displaying here. You can see, but this is now in form of a mobile. We have the save button here that is going to save, and we have the import button here that can also import. So if you also want to enable portal, you can do that at this level. You can see. Then also you can choose you can enter, what's it called, contact person. You can enter contact person here. You can also pick the currency that you have here. So almost everything you can do on the web is what you can also do on this mobile app. So let me cancel this. Now let's go back. You can see invoices. So invoices here, you can see invoices. Now what do you do under invoices? The same thing that we do. So you just click here, you can see all your invoices are here. So even if you have a salesperson and you just have this on your mobile phone, you can actually see it at every point in time that, oh, you want to see the transaction that they've done for the day. So the system will keep updating you as you move around. Then also expenses, you can have your expenses here. You can add expenses. I told you you can add expenses. Now just the same way, are you adding by mileage or expense? So just click on mileage, or just click on expense. You can see. So you have your save here. You have virtually everything that you can do here on the system, also available on the mobile. Now if I click on what's it called, more, where we have more here, you can click on more. If I click on more, it's going to show me all the modules. So these are all the modules already. So these are all the modules. You want to make payment. You can see that at this level the invoices is not here, the customer too is not here, because you can get that outside. Now if I click on reports, sorry, settings, I have where I can also have my what's it called, organization setup on system. So everything that you do on the system can actually be done here, or let me say the most important thing can actually be done here. You can also invite users from here. You can invite users from your mobile phone. So then let me go out and check on reports. These are different reports that are available. So the same report that you have is also in here. So all you just need to do is just to click. So you click the reports you want to look at. You click your reports. Now this report I click is sales by customer, sales by item. So now if you look at this, sorry, so if you look at this, if you look at this now, for instance, this is showing you sales by item, and it's showing you that, oh, this sales by item is from this date to this date. You can also decide to filter this also. You can filter from here. All you just need to do is just to click it to ask you date range that you want to pick. So, and you enter all the details there. So then you can also save it. You can save this report. So look at your report. So this is coming out in PDF. You can see. So if you decide that you want to actually make it bold, so that you understand. So these are different things that is available on the system. You understand? So that is just the only way to navigate around your mobile phone. So on mobile, it's still easy. Everything you are looking out for can actually be done on your mobile phone. Your notifications, you can see your notifications display here. So you can get used with the phone, but the most important thing is, I think it's always better to start with the system. So when you are used to the system, then you can use your mobile phones. So these are just the only things that I think I should show you on your mobile phone. So download it, download the app, enter your user details, and boom, you come to this screen where you can actually do everything that you are looking out for. So I will leave this screen, I will unshare this screen, then taking us back to the system. So going back to the system, let me unshare this. So stop sharing, then I log out from here so that we can continue and just leave it. Okay, so now, okay, so that is how to navigate around your mobile phone or your mobile app. Now you can also monetize your bookkeeping skills. All you have learned, you can monetize it. For instance, how do you start? You could have uncles or aunties or friends that own schools or um, that needs to automate their processes, or that you feel that would need to have this invoice configured for them. So why don't you just meet up with them, discuss what you want to offer them, then as long as it is cheap. Now look at this now. Meet with business owners in respective activities and discuss what you can offer them using the Zoho invoice, where you can charge as low as 20,000 naira. So depending, if you look at the person and you find out that this person should be able to pay this amount of money, the only thing you are doing is the money is the whole money is for you. So even if you charge 50,000, you are the whole owner. But if you find it for your first implementation, you can contact us so that we guide you. But you need to source for what's it called? You need to source for the customer yourself, but we then guide you. You understand? So you could meet schools and offer them that, oh, you want to bill them, you want to manage their billing, whereby what's it called, invoices that are being sent to parents, you could automate it for them. Yes, you could actually automate that for them so that they can actually know students that are owing them, not moving around with a list of this thing. Then also the school will also send a mail automatically. The system will also send a mail automatically to to students with outstandings. You understand? So you don't need to start chasing parents around. The system will be able to do that for you. So it gives them a kind of relief that, oh, okay, there's a system involved, so everybody is on check, everybody is alert. Also, you could look at people that buy inventory at regular intervals. So they buy inventory at regular intervals. What you want to do is just to meet them and say, oh, please, I have this offer. I can also keep records of this your inventory, automating it for them on the system. Also containers of offloading. So meet people, discuss with them, check around you for opportunities. For instance, you could look at estate owners, for enumeration of estate residents. So you can meet maybe your own estate where you belong, or your community where you belong. You see that, okay, maybe at the end of the month, they are always chasing defaulters, and you feel that you should be able to automate that for them. You want to have the list of every tenant or every resident on the system. So you want to be able to, any expenses, all service charges, you want to be able to help them keep the record. So those things are actually being done through the system. It can be done on the system. You understand? So many opportunities that are available. So for you to check your better understanding, to get better understanding on this, you can check accountinghub.ng. So I've dropped the link so that you can listen to the videos there and see other opportunities that are available. You can also register with Upwork. What's it called? Jobs or projects are being displayed, contracts are being displayed at every point in time. People need something relating to this function, but you need to understand how it works first. You need to practice. You can have a test environment. Like I told you, it is free. So why don't you have a test environment, do different scenarios, make sure you are confident. So by the time you are sure you are confident, then you can go around to start selling or marketing this thing and making money from it. You can make as much as 100,000. So the money is yours, depending on how you are able to market yourself. Do you understand? So these are opportunity. The opportunities are there already. So the platform is also available for you. Now, that is one of the bonus I'm adding. Then another bonus I'm adding is all you need to know about VAT. Now this what's it called? Facebook had come with what is it called? Registration requesting for VAT from 2022 January 1st. They will start requesting or they will start charging VAT. How is that being done? How do you go about it with your business? You have registered your business, you don't know how to get it, you feel that, oh, okay, how do you want to go around it? By default, let me just give you a hint. By default, if you are registering as a limited liability company, you are getting the TIN. That's the tax identification number. You are getting it automatically. But if you have registered as a business name, then you need to go through some process. You need to file some documents. So you need to go to their office, and the office you need to go to, you just don't go to any office. It has to be offices that is close, the office closer to what's it called, where your business name is registered, the address you dropped. So you just then you go to the FRS office. Now, so you go and so I have everything on how you can do that. I have it here. So how do you also what's it called? Who are those that are exempted from VAT? You need to know that. Is your business making up to 25 million naira annually? If the answer is no, you can be exempted. You understand? So these are the things that are available. So these two bonuses I've added to you, and I think it would serve you. But if you find it difficult to go about your VAT, you can also have it as a service. Also, you can do it as a service. Maybe you find out that, okay, somebody is actually charging, let's say 4,000, 3,000 to help people register for their what's it called, their TIN number for business needs. Why don't you just charge 6,000, 7,000? So when you charge 6,000, 7,000, you give it to the person charging 4,000, 5,000, you keep the remaining change. But just try as much as possible that you are getting a right source, in case whereby there is an issue, you can always return back to them. You understand? So that is for your VAT. Then also you can contact me. You can contact me if you want to register for your TIN, your business TIN, so your business name TIN. We can also help you with that. So any other thing that you need to know about this training, you can contact me. So I still have my information here, so you can contact me at olumide@pmetrics.com or pmetricserp@gmail.com, or you check my LinkedIn profile. You can also contact us on Instagram and Facebook at pmetrics. That's my WhatsApp number. You can get in touch with me. So I'm available if you have clients, even if it is not, as long as it is an ERP solution or a bookkeeping software needed, please contact me, and you will also have a commission on it. You understand? There are some deals you won't be able to close if you are just starting. Just contact us. So when you contact us, we will try as much as possible to close the deal. As long as you have told us that it is a very sure deal, then we will demonstrate to the potential customer, and I am sure, I'm very, very certain that they will buy into it. So thank you very much, and I draw the curtain to end the class. Thank you and God bless.